video. You'll love this. Too easy. Making it home is better. Guacamole. Hi, welcome to Colbert's. I'm Keith Colbert, and this is Casey's Kitchen. I'm going to do a simple recipe for you tonight. Famous restaurant in New Orleans, great guacamole. You're truly going to love this. Something you and your guests will truly enjoy. What I'm going to do is just prep a little bit of tomato. Now for this dish, what I do want to do is take out the seeds. Remove the seed. Just break it up a little bit because I want this chunky. I want to be able to enjoy this. Really don't. That back in our bowl. This is actually some homemade vinegar we made, some leftover wine, add a little vinegar in. Something you and your guests will truly enjoy. Guacamole. Oh yeah. Wow. 맛있어요. cut. 안녕. I'm glad I'm the